Just hours before global markets were set to reopen, a late-night news conference to announce a multi-billion-dollar deal.
The bankruptcy of a global systematically important bank would have caused irreparable economic turmoil in Switzerland and throughout the world.
After a weekend of emergency talks, the Swiss government revealed the country's largest bank, UBS, is set to take over the second largest Credit Suisse.
In this difficult situation, the takeover of Credit Suisse by UBS is the best solution for restoring the confidence that has been lacking in financial markets recently.
The bank has been plagued by scandal in recent years, from bad investments to failing to prevent money laundering. One of the final straws was a self-described weakness in its financial reporting.
What they're worried about now is regaining and restoring the integrity and the reputation of Switzerland, the Swiss banking industry.
This comes after the stunning collapse of two major U.S. banks rattled investors and customers. While experts say the factors in the U.S. and Swiss banks are different, they share a common looming threat: panic.
And they start to think, well, wait a minute, I've got money at a bank down the street that's maybe dealing with that bank that's in trouble. And that becomes the foundation of the panic.
And that fear could lead to consequences here in Canada.
The big worry here in Canada is not the banks themselves. We do have a relatively safe, well-regulated banking system here in Canada. But if this sort of sense of fear does percolate across global markets and across borders, then we are looking at a slowdown in Canada.
What that could look like isn't clear, but experts are urging caution during this volatile time.
We should probably be looking to protect ourselves by avoiding unnecessary spending, by keeping those debt levels as low as possible, and ensuring that we have cash on hand in case of uncertainties in the economy.
As we await the first indication of whether the Swiss deal leads to more confidence or concern. Susanna De Silva, CBC News, Vancouver.